Hi guys, I'm doing the cloud in a bottle experiment. So, the first step is to pour warm water into a plastic bottle. Fill it 1/3 full, then put the lid on, which I've done. The warm water adds water vapor to the air. Now I'm going to squeeze the bottle. That represents high pressure and warming. When I release, that represents low pressure and cooling. As you can see, nothing's happening yet. Now I'm going to take off the lid and add one match, and then I will put the cap back on. This will trap the smoke inside, which represents the dust. I will once again squeeze the bottle. When I squeeze, nothing's happening because of the high pressure. When I release, this creates low pressure. Clouds need low pressure to form. As you can see, we have a fog inside of a bottle. The end.